Hi everyone, this is Daniel with Hudu, and welcome back to the Hudu onboarding series. In this video, we'll explore the heart of Hudu, companies. Companies are the foundation of organization within Hudu. They house most of your documentation and tools. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and managing companies. Think of companies as dedicated spaces for storing your information. In Hudu, everything is siloed, meaning each company contains its own documentation. However, the organization of information is standardized at a global level. Now, I'll be referring to these as companies within this demo, but please note that you can update the terminology here to call them whatever you'd like. Jumping back to our new instance, let's go ahead and create our first company in Hudu. Once I add the company, I can enter essential details such as the logo, type, address, and phone number. Now that the company is created, this brings us to the dashboard page for our new company. Now that the company is created, I have access to all the core tools that Hudu provides. Each new company I create will have these tools available along with every single asset layout I create. Essentially, all documentation that is directly for this company will be stored here. Remember, everything is siloed. If I add a password or a desktop for this company, that documentation won't be accessible in any of the other companies I've created. In addition to the core tools, there's a related items tab for anything I want to associate with this company in the future. Relationships don't have to all be within the same company. I can create a relationship between two things in the same company, but I could also do this across companies. Each company also features its own museum, which serves as an archive. This ensures that nothing ever has to be deleted. Documents can simply be archived and stored in the museum. You can always unarchive documentation and retrieve it when needed. To enhance the company details I added during creation, each company has a quick note section for any additional information I want readily available. Examples might include the primary contact for the company or their operational hours. I've now added some quick notes for this company, so when my techs need to jump in and find easily accessible information, they have everything they need right on the forefront of this company page. Now, I have only created one company, but as I continue to create companies in Hudu, sometimes I may want to be able to see all of my passwords or expirations in one central location. And that is where global comes in. With the global view, I can see all of the information in my instance across all the companies that I have access to without clicking into each one individually. Thank you for watching. In this video, we have talked about creating companies manually, but just note that if you are setting up any integrations with a PSA or RMM, that will also allow you to create these companies automatically. For now that you know how to set up and manage companies in Hudu, go ahead and start building out a test company, your own internal company, or if you're feeling bold, a real client as a company, and then jump into the next video where we explore further concepts in Hudu.